fuck you, bitch him, fuck you, bitch him, 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 fuck you, bitch him, bitch him, fuck you, bitch him, bitch him, bitch him, bitch him, bitch him, bitch him, bitch him.
Por cima da pica, vai sua puta, tá vazia. Dá uma xerecada por cima da pica, vai sua puta, caralho. Essa piranha do Parque União, gosta de fazer orgia.
What you're looking at, baby, is a motherfucking legend in the making. For the rest of your life, I'll be there. I'll be stuck in your head like the roots of your hair.
So come and get it. It's all about the he says, she says bullshit. I think you better quit, let shit slip, or you can leave it with a fat lip.
You be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you do. Keep to me. Your body language speaks to me.
Help me.
home with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbyes. Home, there's moonlight on the river, everybody dies.
I lost Gwen. She was my MJ. I couldn't save her. I'm never gonna be able to forgive myself for that.
Toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine. Hot baby, bang it up inside. Baby, the lights run eyes. I know you pretend I am. I know you pretend I am. From an empty sea, a flash of light. It will take a while to make you smile. Somewhere in these eyes, I'm on your side.
The first step to enlightenment is the encounter with the shadow. Everything horrible that human beings have done was done by human beings, and you're one of them.
No, it's for the better. No, it's for the better. I never grew up with you, and you're not my waiting room.
I'm not a fan of puppeteers, but I have a nagging fear someone else is pulling out the strings. Something terrible is going down through the entire town, wreaking anarchy and all it brings. I can't sit idly, no, I can't move at all. I curse the name, the one behind it all. Discord, I'm howling out the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, whatever did we do to make you take our world away? Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the road? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take a tyranny away. I'm fine with changing status quo, but not in letting go. Now the world is being torn apart.
a terrible catastrophe. Played by your symphony, what a terrifying work of art. I can't sit idly, no, I can't move at all. I curse the name, the one behind it all. Discord, I'm howling at the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, whatever did we do to make you take no other way? Discord, are we a play alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take your tyranny away.
Hold up. Let him
Oh my god, he's so goddamn cool! But that's really dumb. But he's so cool! But that's so dumb!
Can't be the only one who hears you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started. I get a little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend.
Immortal she, return to me.
I want Robux! Why can't I get Robux? Give me Robux!
I'm trying.
Phil! Give me Robux!
I'm trying to get you.
All I keep saying is a haircut. I just want Robux!
Luca. Bueno. Piñu. Bueno. Piñu. Bueno. Like, you just look mad good. Like, you're mad fine. Hey, thank you. I really appreciate it. Like, why are you single? You need a girlfriend already. Thank you, thank you. So you like me? You want to be together? I ain't never said that. You ain't never hear me say that, so I don't know where you getting that from, because it wasn't for me. Oh, wait, what? I thought, you thought wrong.
It's set for Friday?
Yeah, sure. Friday works.
Great. Stop by the Burger King downtown at 3, okay? I'll be on my break by then.
Wait. Why Burger King?
I like Burger King.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh, no, it's nothing. I just didn't expect you to.
Like Burger King? Do you find it strange, Denji?
What?
Can I not like Burger King?
I didn't say that. You can like Burger King. I also, like Burger King.
Really? Would Chainsaw Man like Burger King?
Yeah, I would.
That's very sweet, Denji. Anyway, for the date, we can eat at Burger King, then maybe catch a movie or two. Does that sound good? Yes or no?
Wow. A date with Miss Makima. That's so cool.
That's not a yes nor a no, Denji.
I got a date with Miss Makima! I did it, Vegeta! I won! Yeah!
Okay, then.
Friday afternoon. I won't forget. This'll be the bestest date ever!
I'm sure it will be, Denji. Well, see you then.
Okay. A date with Miss Makima. You gotta prepare for dates, don't you? Alright, so that means no distractions for tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, and here's the shark fiend. Say hi, Beam.
Hello! Is that a shark?
Denji! Wait, no. Where are Beam's manners? Mr. Chainsaw, it's an honor to meet you.
Sure thing, man. Just get the fuck off me!
You're a chainsaw! I'll follow you anywhere!
I'll see you at the movie date, Denji. Bye-bye. Whopper, 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 grooming minors, whopper, whopper.
Bye, Miss Makima. See you on the movie date. Beam, stop hugging my goddamn leg! I'm gay!
A movie date? Very smooth, Master Chainsaw. Very clever.
It was actually her idea.
You're too humble!
Look, Shark Dude, Beam, whatever. I don't know who the hell you are, but I'm trying to prepare for my date, all right? I don't need any distractions.
But Beam know best way to prepare for a movie date.
Okay. What's the best then, huh?
To watch a movie beforehand. Watch a movie with Beam. Any movie.
Watch a movie? How the fuck is that gonna help?
You just want to see a movie.
I just want to see a movie. Oh, that's so sad. I'm so sorry, Peter. Why? I don't want to scream at you. I love you. Why am I doing this? For the money. Bro, seriously? No. Beam, you're just trying to distract me, man. Get out of here.
Sir, yes, sir.
Well, now I feel kind of bad. Beam, come back here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll watch a movie with you if it'll make you leave me alone. All right?
Sir, yes, sir.
What movie is it?
Rocky!
The fuck is a Rocky?
Denji, since when were you friends with the Shark Fiend?
We're trying to watch a movie. Quiet, Hockey.
Quiet, Top Knot.
I'm getting deja vu.
Oh, shit! It's round 15!
Rocky's not doing too good.
Well, neither is Apollo.
Is this Rocky?
Huh? You've seen it?
Who hasn't?
This is the last round. If Rocky just makes it to the belt... Oh!
Oh, shit! Rocky's down!
Is this your first time watching it, Denji?
Yeah? Wait, is he gonna get back up in time?
5, 6...
7, 8... 9! He's up!
And in time for the bell!
Oh my fucking god! Let's go, Rocky! Yeah!
Yeah, baby! This is what I'm here for! What's up? Hey, wait, Denji.
Yeah? What's up?
It's 3 p.m. Didn't you say you had something planned this Friday?
Huh. Did I?
Yeah, you did. You told me to remind you.
Oh. Well, I guess I forgot. It probably wasn't all that important anyway.
What's more important than watching Rocky?
Nothing! Come on, Beam! Let's binge the whole series!
Yeah! Rocky! 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 Rocky!
Where the fuck is he? Did Beam steal him from me?
Hot diggity dog. This place is magnificent.